What's up, guys? Today I will tell about 20-cent euro coin foram Germany. The euro is the official currency of the Eurozone, used by 20 of the 27 European Union member states. Among its denominations, the 20-cent coin is one of the most commonly used. In this script, we will explore the German 20-cent euro coin, discussing its history, design elements, minting process, and collector's value. Chapter 1. The birth of the euro and the German 20-cent coin. The euro was introduced as an accounting currency in 1999 and became physical cash in 2002, replacing national currencies like the Deutsche Mark in Germany. Germany, as one of the largest economies in the Eurozone, played a major role in the transition. The 20-cent euro coin is part of the Euro cent series, which includes 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, and 50-cent coins, as well as the 1 euro and 2 euros coins. All euro coins have a common reverse side showing the European Union and a country-specific obverse front design. Germany's 20-cent euro coin carries its own national symbols, reflecting the country's culture and heritage. Chapter 2. Design and features of the German 20-cent coin. Material and specifications. Material: Nordic gold, alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Weight: 5.74 grams. Diameter: 22.25 millimeters. Thickness: 2.14 millimeters. Edge: smooth with 7 indentations. Spanish flower shape. Nordic gold is not actual gold but an alloy chosen for its durability, resistance to tarnishing, and golden color. Obverse front design. The German 20-cent euro coin features the Brandenburg Gate, one of the most iconic landmarks in Germany. The Brandenburg Gate is a neoclassical monument in Berlin, symbolizing unity and peace. Architectural symbolism. The gate represents Germany's reunification after the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. Designer: Reinhard Heinsdorf, a German designer, was responsible for this image. Lettering: the 12 stars of the European Union surround the Brandenburg Gate. Year of issue: the year of minting, is inscribed at the bottom. Reverse back design. The reverse side is the same for all 20-cent euro coins across the Eurozone. It includes a map of Europe, symbolizing unity, the denomination 20 cent, 12 stars of the European Union, arranged in a circular pattern. The reverse design was created by Luc Luix, a Belgian artist. Mint marks. Germany has several mints, each represented by a letter. A. Berlin, D. Munich, F. Stuttgart, G. Karlsruhe, J. Hamburg. Each mint produces millions of coins annually. Chapter 3. How much is a German 20-cent euro coin worth? Chapter 3. How much is a German 20-cent? Chapter 3. How much is a German 20-cent euro coin worth? While the face value of a German 20-cent euro coin is 0.2 thousand euros, its actual worth varies based on factors like rarity, condition, and collector demand. Face value versus market value. Circulating coins are worth only. Uncirculated or special condition coins can be worth. Error coins or rare editions can be worth or more. Factors that affect value: mint year. Some years have lower mintage, making them rarer. Mint mark. Coins from certain mints are more desirable. Condition: grading. Coins in mint state, MS60 plus or proof condition, are worth more. Errors, misprints, or double strikes increase value. Special editions, collector's sets, or commemorative editions can have higher value. Rare and valuable German 20-cent coins. Some German 20-cent euro coins have become sought after. 2002 A. Berlin Mint coins, the first year of issue. Some of these are considered valuable. Error coins. Some coins with minting mistakes, like off-center strikes, can fetch higher prices. Chapter 4. Collecting German 20-cent coins. Why collect euro coins? Historical significance. Coins tell the story of Europe's unification. Investment potential. Some rare coins increase in value over time. Educational value. Learning about different designs and mints enhances knowledge. How to identify a valuable German 20-cent coin? Look for mint marks and years. Examine the condition. Fewer scratches and better luster mean higher value. Check for errors, misaligned prints, or missing elements. Compare with collectors' guides and auction prices where to buy or sell German 20-cent coins. Coin dealers, shops specializing in numismatics. Online auctions, websites like eBay and Numista. Coin fairs and exhibitions, events where collectors trade. Banks and mints, official sources for special edition releases. Chapter 5. Conclusion. The German 20-cent euro coin is more than just currency. It represents the history, unity, and artistry of Germany within the Eurozone. While most are only worth their face value, rare and well-preserved coins can be valuable to collectors. Whether you are a casual collector or a serious numismatist, understanding the details of these coins can enhance your appreciation of European currency. While most are only worth their face value, rare and well-preserved coins can be valuable to collectors. Whether you are a casual collector or a serious numismatist, understanding the details of these coins can enhance your appreciation of European currency.